Kaken hun kinong yalam jong kijat benriu rit pad, kibaken thup yaki hajong, Koch, Rabha, Bodo, Man, bat Karbi, kibadon ha Meghalaya, balatip kerteng kum ka Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum, MIMTF, hakashipho tarik nopra akalatho yakashiti Kyrpad. Syaulat Khubor CH Vijaya Shankar ban raplem yakani kakunhun ban penken mau ya menteri ki kampo yeng ke sarkar India Amit Shah ban penlong do penlong snam ya ka jingdawa jongki ban thauno da ka regional council na ka benta ka bha kamiat jongkini kirit pa ki badon ha Meghalaya ke MIMTF lengba ka regional Council Demand Committee RCDC haka santarik unailar hajar pusau kalatho yakashithi Kyrpad sya menteri ki kampo yeng kari India Amit Shah haka ba kila dawa na sarkar India ban thauno da ka regional council na ka benta kini kiret pad khnang bakin yo yaki bha bat ki hok baki dei ban yo na ka sarkar Meghalaya kinong yalam ka RCDC ki balasoy yakani kashithi Shaulat Khubor kilong u Dr. KC Boro chairman MLA bat minister barim Khubor Sahadev Rabha vice chairman Bhavani Hajong vice chairman bat u Nabin CH Basumatari vice chairman.
Very happy with our meeting with the governor today. Governor has very patiently listened to what we told him, and we read out. He has given the time to read out the memorandum. Also, he has promised us he will do the in-depth study about this. If need be, he will constitute a committee with the officers from the governor's house and even the Advocate General, if necessary. He has taken the matter seriously, and he said you should get the justice in the matter. But right now, suo moto just I cannot promise anything. But at least, because we requested him either to constitute commission or the committee to inquire, to study into the matter whether our demand is genuine or not. But we claim our demand is very, very genuine because it is constitutional. Under Article 244 2 and 275(1 and the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, it is already very clearly there that the minority scheduled tribes of any state, they can enjoy, they get the facilities of this regional council for their upliftment, for their development and for their protection. So accordingly we have demanded. We don't want any separation neither from the state nor from the district. Very simple. Only the minority tribals inhabited area. We call it in Garo Hills popularly known as Plain Belt area, covering right from Dainautibi, from the north, Dainautibi, Mandipathar, Manigunds, Bhaya, Tikrikla, Fulbari, Rajabala, Garobada, Ampati, Mohendraganj, Talu, up to Sibari. It covers four districts: North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, and South Garo Hills. A total area to be covered. That is, as per our proposed, the area of the regional council is 1,987 square kilometers. Total population of the minority tribals within this area is 1,97,000. Some hundred total population will be. And of course other communities also will fall little like our Garo brethren, tribal brethren, our elder brother Garo villages also will be little there within the area, and other communities like Assamese, Bengali, Bihari, Muslims, but they will be only microscopic in their population. But maximum is minority tribal dominated area, inhabited area. That is what is our demand. We don't want separation, we don't want either from the state nor from the district. Only for our development, for the backward communities of Hajongs, Koches, Rabas, Boro, Kusaris and Man. We want this regional council under 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. But we demanded earlier, last year in August 5th, we submitted a memorandum from Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum demanding this regional council. There we have clearly mentioned we want regional council under Article 280, through which direct funding facility will be there, direct funding. Present district councils, all district councils, they get their fund through state government, which hampers the development of the district council. So if government of India grant us the regional council has demanded, we want this regional council with direct funding from the center. And also we have demanded one special facilities also, that is satellite council. Like our communities are scattered, not in one place. Through satellite council we want to reach the development to each and every minority tribal community, wherever they live, in all over Meghalaya. And our movement, our demand will be very democratic, very constitutional, without spoiling the relation, understanding. Our relation, our understanding that is going on ages together with Garus and other tribal communities like Khasis and Jontes in the state. Without disturbing this relation and understanding unity, just we want. That is our earnest request to the authorities concerned, for which we have met the governor today, submitted our memorandum. Governor has honestly listened to us and said, he promised us, he will constitute a committee for in-depth study into this and will let us know in time.